Have you ever wondered if the quantum realm exists? I mean, if it is real? Well, wonder no more. The quantum realm theory, which I will discuss in this video, is one of the most compelling theories in physics today. What is quantum realm and how do we know it? Quantum realm is the quantum field that is believed to exist in the universe. It is a place that exists outside of time and space, where all particles live together in harmony. The quantum realm was first theorized by Stephen Hawking in his book A Brief History of Time. He proposed that the universe existed in two different dimensions, the time dimension and the space dimension. The time dimension would be where we live, and the space dimension would be where everything else lives. In his theory, Hawking suggested that there was another dimension beyond both of these dimensions, the quantum realm. This new dimension exists outside of both time and space, so it can be referred to as a fourth dimension, or multiverse. What is the best way to visualize quantum realm? The best way to visualize quantum realm is to imagine a series of nested spheres, each one containing a different level of reality. The innermost sphere is the most elementary, containing only particles. As you move outwards from there, the next sphere contains atoms, then molecules, and finally cells. In between these spheres there are many more levels of reality. What are the possibilities of quantum realm? Quantum theory is a branch of physics that deals with the tiny, infinitesimal fluctuations in the very nature of matter. This means that it's not just about your everyday world, it's also about things that are invisible to our eyes, like the very smallest particles. Quantum mechanics has a lot of strange properties and bizarre predictions, but one thing it can't explain is how we get from here to there. It's not clear how we get from molecules to atoms and then to the stars. And quantum mechanics doesn't seem able to explain how we get from atoms to molecules or even cells. The Copenhagen interpretation holds that we have no choice but to accept these limitations because they are unavoidable consequences of our lack of knowledge about fundamental reality. But some scientists have argued that there might be a way out. How quantum realm can affect our everyday life? Quantum realm is the part of our universe where we don't know what's going on. We can't see it, but we know that there are countless events happening all around us. We are not able to predict what will happen next in this realm, but we can be sure that it has an impact on our everyday life. For example, quantum realm affects our environment by creating particles and waves at a single instant. In the same time frame, there are multiple versions of these particles that exist in parallel universes. All these versions can be in different places at the same time, and they will influence each other when they interact with each other. The wave motion causes interference patterns, and we cannot predict what will happen next because every moment has its own potential reality. Can quantum realm be used as a weapon? Quantum realm can be used as a weapon because of the uncertainty principle of quantum mechanics. The uncertainty principle states that the more precisely you know a particle's position, momentum and other properties, the less precisely you can know its state. In other words, if you want to know the exact location of an object, you need to measure its position very precisely. The more accurately you measure an object's position, the less accurately you can predict its momentum or other properties. How quantum realm affects our science and technology. Quantum realm is not a new discovery. It was discovered in 1900 by Max Planck, who suggested that light is made up of quanta called photons. However, it was not until 1995 that an experiment proved it. The discovery of quantum realm has changed the way we think about science and technology. The realm of quantum physics has opened up a whole new world for scientists who can now explore the nature of matter at a very small scale. This has led to many new discoveries in medicine and engineering, which have helped develop better medical tools, cars, and even smartphones. But quantum realm also has another effect on our lives. It affects our day-to-day life in ways we can't imagine. Quantum realm will help us understand how our technology works and what's inside them. This will help us build better technology as well as better cars and phones. Why Einstein refused to buy into quantum realm theory. The theory of quantum mechanics states that the world is not just a set of objects and events, but rather, it is made up of tiny, invisible entities called quanta. These quanta are constantly popping in and out of existence, even though they do not exist anywhere in space-time. The concept of quantum entanglement was postulated by Einstein and other scientists who believed that this phenomenon represented a fundamental aspect of the physical world. Einstein's famous argument against this theory was based on his conviction that measurement could never change something that had already been measured. However, quantum mechanics showed that this was not true and that measurements had an effect on the outcome of physical experiments. Quantum mechanics also predicted phenomena such as tunneling, where particles can pass through barriers unimpeded even when they are blocked by other particles.